Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete your ChatGPT account through your own browsers. Firstly, you need to log into your ChatGPT account in chatgpt.com. After logging in to your ChatGPT account, you need to go to the top right corner of your browser. You can see your profile of your ChatGPT account. You simply need to click on your profile. Now you need to go to the settings of your ChatGPT account. In the settings tab, you've got general, personalization, speech, data controls, builder profile, connected apps, and securities. You now need to go to the data controls tab. In this tab, you will be shown an option to delete your account. To get started, you simply need to click on the delete button. Now you need to type out your ChatGPT account email. You now need to simply type delete as you're shown in the input field. Now click on permanently delete my account. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your ChatGPT account.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.